Hi guys, my name is Jenny, and we can be doing some things that we never did before in videos.
Yes, that's true. This is Aniade's family. We call ourselves the King's family. Okay, yeah, well, this is our first time doing videos, and we find it, I hope we find it interesting, and I hope you guys joining us will like what we do. We're still amateur. We just want to come out from our comfort zone and bring you things that happen in our house. And this is
Inilua. And
so I love cooking. So sometimes on this blog, you might be seeing some cooking. I will do some cooking. Iniolua will bring in some
Minecraft.
games. And what are you gonna bring in?
Minecraft.
Oh, you're talking for him. Okay, Iniolua, what else? Okay, and Jenya will be doing what?
Dancing.
Dancing and what? What else do you like?
I love baking with her, so if you see some videos, sometimes I will be in it.
Okay, and also Iniolua will be doing the Minecraft because I know Iniolua loves Minecraft. Okay, so we hope you guys will love us. We are into so many things. Like I said, it's just a blog where you can rewind in your house, enjoy yourself, and we will try to make it fun for you all. Okay, we will be as natural as possible. Okay, all right. We love you. Please subscribe. Okay, now see, this is our first video. Please, we will be asking for subscribers. Please subscribe so you can watch us. Give us the thumbs up.
Click the bell.
All right, to subscribe. What else you need?
That's all.
All right, well, that's a smile from him. Today is our first day, like we said, okay? I hope you guys enjoy us. We love you and we would love to meet you all. You can also criticize us so that we can improve in our next video. Tell us what we're doing wrong or what we can improve on. We would love to hear from you guys. We are also bringing our fears along with this video. We don't know what we're doing, but we believe it's going to be fun. All right, Nini?
Okay.
Okay, oh yes. Okay. All right, Jenny?
Yeah.
All right. We love you. Say bye.
Bye.